Welcome! In this video tutorial, we will learn everything about screens. We will look at how to download the application on the TV, create a new screen via the web application, match the created screen with the pair code, and how to easily manage your screen. You can easily download the application from Google Play. When you open the app, you'll be greeted by a 6-digit pair code. This pair code will allow us to match the screen we'll create on the web app to our own screen. When creating a new screen in the web application, we enter our pair code in this 6-digit section and create our screen easily by giving it a screen name. After creating a screen, you'll be presented with the Screen Details page. You can easily manage your screens on this page. You can assign content and preview it without saving. On the Screen List page, you can edit, reload, delete, assign content, or change the license type of the screen easily. Additionally, you can find your screens by searching or add a new screen here.